Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia Moor, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this MacBook Pro. And I used to have one more, but I broke it. I broke the screen and it was like $600 to fix it, and it was like old. I bought it in 2014 or 2015. I don't remember exactly. This is 2014 model, and I think I bought it in 2015. So like it's really exciting because I broke my MacBook like 6 months ago, and I was still working with the broken screen, but now I'm searching for my regular job, so I need to have good computer like with good screen, because most of the times you're gonna work remotely. Also, I do YouTube, I create filters for Instagram, so it was really necessary purchase. That's how I justify. But it took me like half a year to decide to get this one or not, and finally I got it. So let's open. So it was like I ordered it like in November, and it took like 2 weeks to come. So so cool. Okay, important not to drop this part. Difficult. It's heavy. Oh my gosh, or maybe I should just work out. Okay. It's actually really like, you don't guys see, but it's really thin. Like if compared to my hand, it's like almost, this box like thinner than my hand. When I bought my first MacBook, the box was much more bigger. Okay, so let's open. It has such nice, opening Apple products, always so exciting for me. Okay, so let me pull. Wow. And then I believe I can just slide it down. Oh, I'm sorry guys, you didn't see what I was doing. I was just tearing that part, and now it looks like this. Okay guys, let's open the box itself. I'm always having the trouble. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here, and it has this nice thing that I can take the computer out. Okay, let's see what is here. Designed by Apple in California. It was coming from China actually. So, and now that's how looks the charger. And there's this thing, and how, let's guys check how big the cord itself. Smells like plastic. So here is like, so I'm like 5 feet. So this is, and usually, you know guys, if you like stretch your arms, it's your height. I don't know if it's true or not, but this looks like it's like around the way how I'm gonna stretch my arms. It smells like plastic. I cannot breathe actually. But still, I'm still happy. Okay. So it has this nice plastic, like a paper around. So I'm gonna take it out. And I just, oh my gosh, it's so thin compared to the one I have. I want to show you. So the one I have, it's 2014 one, so it looks like this. And the one I have now, it looks like this. Well, I don't think you see the difference, but I do see. Maybe because they're, okay, maybe this way you can see it better. So this one is like just feels much more thinner. Maybe it's not that much thinner, but I can feel the difference. And also it has this cool apple that it's like more like a mirror. And my previous one had this apple which was like a more like a white glass. So okay, I'm gonna keep my old one in the box. Ta-da! This nice. Oh my gosh! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I was like waiting for this moment so long. Half a year I was like just thinking, should I buy it or not? But now, since I'm searching for the remote job, I decided for sure to do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move the camera so you can see. So guys, now you can see that the first menu is like to pick the language, and I'm gonna pick English one. Actually, it doesn't let me do it. I'm always having the trouble to, oh, just I need to click on the arrow probably. Yeah. So after that, so I'm gonna pick the country, and in my case it's United States. Long to search, so many countries.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
I will do it probably later because I'm not that good with VoiceOver. So searching for the United States, Ukraine, United Kingdom, United States. Okay. So I click continue, and now I need to find my Wi-Fi, but I'm not gonna set it up Wi-Fi for now. Yeah, I'm not gonna transfer any information. I agree. And now I need to set up my name. It's gonna be Nadia. Okay, password. Just continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? I'm gonna actually put not now. Okay, now time to set up my finger. And I'm gonna pick light mode. Yeah, now it's ready. So I want to compare the keyboards. Now I'm gonna type on my new MacBook, like try to how it feels. So I would say on the new one, it's kind of more lighter touch. I wouldn't say that I like it more. I'm so used to my old one. But when it comes to the buttons itself, like a key for the keys, they're bigger. So they make them bigger. Also, what I can see, they made the touchpad much more bigger, and they made for the sound also bigger comparing to what I had. And also, yeah, this is smaller, and the buttons itself are smaller. The new one has like a smaller lines on the sides and on the top. That's what I see as one of the biggest difference, as you can see. And probably that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video about unboxing Apple MacBook Pro, and have a good day. Bye bye. Guys, I'm back because I think it's important for you to know that MacBook Pro 2020 comes with the USB Type-C, so from this two sides and from this one. and also for the headphones jet. And by the way, I also put this cover already on, so if you're curious about my review about this cover, check out the video and the link is gonna be here. So that's it. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching, and give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.